goal for Scarlet Harvest is to bring everyone together for an event that's free for kids to come out and enjoy the fall weather.
Hi, I'm Megan Obiso. I'm the Director of Traditions and Community on RUPA. We really just want students to come out and have a reason to, be with their friends and eat good food and make crafts and ride a mechanical bull.
Food was delicious, good music, and a mechanical bull. And I loved all of it.
So fall's my favorite. I love October. I love being outside. I love all the pumpkins. I love all the food. I just love all the leaves falling. I'm obsessed. October is the best ever.
Music was my favorite part of the event. Yeah, because you don't know what you're expecting, and then you're like, wow, this band's pretty good. Yeah.